Miss Tracy, we gotta talk. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are bringing to you the new from Pattern Beauty. This is the Moisture Milk. This just came out this week. So excited to be one of the first to try it. All I need to tell you is, if you have not placed your order yet, definitely need to do it. This is a must-have. So I have used several of Pattern Beauty's products at this point. The leave-in conditioner is hands down a favorite. I will always keep a stash of that. Loving the shampoo and conditioner, the edge control, and now this hair milk. Miss Tracy is showing out. So keep on watching for more details. Okay, so let me read what it says on the bottle. Again, this is the Pattern Moisture Milk. It says it is formulated for the curlies, coilies, and tight textures when your curls need long-lasting moisture. Definitely great for moisture. So it says, thirsty curls drink in lightweight hydration when you smooth on our moisture milk through parched hands. Ideal for moisture that lasts all day. This creamy formula leaves strands shiny and supple. Rich amla oil, Irish moss, and agave nectar soften curls to reduce breakage and finesse unwanted frizz. Perfect for providing daily moisture and refreshing twist outs and wash and goes, keeping your texture juicy and joyful. Absolutely love the soft hold, the moisture. My hair looks, feels amazing. I've been out in the elements all day with this flat twist and curl. So yeah, but this baby here is amazing. I wasn't even going to do a YouTube video today. I had planned to just do my sponsored reel, which if you're not following me on Instagram, not sure why you wouldn't be, but make sure you check that out. That was all I was planning on doing, but I'm like, no, I have to come with a complete full video review for YouTube to let you know that this gem here, you need it. So it is lightweight, it is moisturizing, it has great slip. I will insert some clips of me using this because I didn't record like the styling process. However, I did record the takedown, so I definitely will insert those clips as well. But the moisture, slip, even definition, this is a one product style. This is a flat twist and curl, and I know you can see this definition just using this. No leave-in, no gel, no foam, just this hair milk. And baby, she dried super quick. It's like 30-40 minutes under the dryer. We're done. We're done. But the moisture, the definition, Miss Tracy did her thing with this one. So this is definitely a must have. Let me show you the texture of it, and a little definitely does go a long way. Has that same smell like the original leave-in conditioner. Super creamy, so moisturizing. I will definitely be using this again, and we're not wasting this, so we're just gonna scrunch this right into this flat twist out. Because baby, we are not wasting any of this product, okay? guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section if you've tried it, if you plan on trying it. Let me know if you've enjoyed this video, which I hope you did. As always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.